Air France and KLM offer one of the best ways to fly to Europe using your points and miles through their monthly promo awards. Each month, they release a list of cities that qualify for their promo award prices through which you can fly to Europe from the North America in economy class starting at just 18,750 points each way. You can also fly in premium economy for just 30,000 points, and if you're able to find business class availability with the promo award fare, it's just going to cost you 45,000 points each way. And so in this video, I'm going to break down exactly what their promo awards are and how you can find award availability at the promo award prices every single month, so you can also fly to Europe using your hard-earned points and miles for a fantastic deal with Air France and KLM. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Advait, and on this channel, I teach people how to travel for nearly free by maximizing their credit card points and airline miles. I've personally redeemed over $150,000 worth of travel just in the last couple of years by maximizing rewards on my everyday expenses, which has allowed me and my family to take some unforgettable bucket list vacations where we've often flown in business class flights and stayed at 5-star hotels for nearly free. If that sounds like your jam, then make sure to the subscribe button and like this video so it surfaces up for other people to watch on YouTube as well. And with that out of the way, let's jump right into the video. There are two main reasons why I love Air France and KLM and their Flying Blue rewards program. The first reason being that their Flying Blue points are super easy to earn because they transfer over from all the major credit card companies in the US over to Air France and KLM. And they often even have transfer bonuses where you'll get even more points on top of the standard transfer rate, which you can stack with these monthly promo awards to fly for super cheap, often in business class cabins for under 40,000 points each way. The second reason is Air France and KLM together have a pretty large footprint in North America as well as Europe, which means you can fly to pretty much any major city from the North America over to Europe with a one-stop either in Amsterdam or Paris. This makes it a super convenient option, and this combined with the ability to earn points very easily is probably one of the best ways to fly to Europe when it comes to using your points and miles. Now, the best way to find these promo awards is just to Google Air France KLM monthly promo awards, and the first result or the second result will take you there. So if I click this link that says Flying Blue Promo Rewards, it's going to take me to the Promo Rewards homepage. From here, I can just click on Show All, and here you can see all the details about their promo awards. Typically, promo awards are discounted by 25% from the standard mileage price, and there's a book by date and a fly by date, which is typically 6 months out from the current month. Every month, promo award cities change, so you can bookmark this link and come back every single calendar month to check what the promo award cities are. I'll drop this link in the description so you can just quickly open it and save it as a bookmark. So I'm recording this in November 2025, so you can see that the promo awards right now say book in November, and you can complete travel anytime by April 30th, 2026. Now, the way they have written this isn't exactly clear because it makes it seem like you can travel anytime before April 30th, 2026. But that's not the case because you can only travel on dates where there is promo award availability at the promo award price. The latest date that you will find this availability is April 30th, 2026, but that doesn't mean that you can fly at the promo award price anytime before that. And that's the part of finding availability, which I'll show you just shortly right here. Now, if you keep scrolling down on this page, you can see all of the promo award cities and routes as well as the prices. So typically short and medium haul flights will be the ones that originate within Europe, but what we are concerned with more is the long haul flights, which are either from Asia or North America over to Europe. So you can see that this month there's Chicago to Europe on Air France, there's Seattle to Europe, there's Orlando to Europe, Montreal to Europe in economy, there's also Dubai to Europe, Austin to Europe, Las Vegas to Europe, New York to Europe, and all of these are discounted by 25% for economy class awards. The typical economy class prices from North America over to Europe is 25,000 points. So if you discount that by 25%, that's 18,750 miles. Now, if you keep scrolling down, you can see that there are some other types of awards as well. So for this particular month, you can see that I can fly from Singapore and Europe for 37,500 points in premium economy. But there are also North American cities like Ottawa and Toronto, as well as Washington, that are under the business class promo awards, where you can fly in business class each way between these cities and Europe for just 45,000 points. Now, when it comes to finding award availability, you're going to head over to Air France or KLM's website and log in. It doesn't matter which airline you pick because the loyalty program and the award availability is exactly the same, which is their Flying Blue program. So I'm here on Air France's website and I've logged in and I've selected this book with miles tab. I'm going to show you two examples, one in business class and one in economy class. So the business class award that I'll show you is Toronto over to Europe, and the economy class award that I'll show you is JFK over to Europe. So to find award availability, first make sure that you select just one-way awards. And here from the departing airport, I'm going to put Toronto, which is their promo award city for this month. And then you can put any destination in Europe where Air France and KLM fly. Just because it's Air France and KLM doesn't mean you only have to go to Paris or Amsterdam, you can connect through Paris and Amsterdam to pretty much any European destination for the same exact price of 45,000 miles in business class, in this case, provided there is award availability. So let's say I want to go to Rome, so I'm going to put FCO. Now this part is important so that you get the calendar level view, which is to just leave the departure date blank. Make sure to just select one adult to start with and then select business in this case, because the promo award route between Toronto and Europe for this month is in business class. And then I'm just going to hit search flights. And now you get this calendar level view where you can see the lowest price for that month written up top here. And you can see that the 45,000 price is pretty much available every single month until March. Now, most people think December or November isn't a great time to go to Europe, but it really depends on what location you're looking at. You can decide to go to Southern Europe to get some warmth and sunlight, or you can even go to Northern Europe to places like Lapland to watch the Northern Light, or you can head over to places like Vienna to check out their amazing Christmas markets during the month of November and early December. So in this case, if I want to fly in December, I'm just going to click on the December tab on top, and I can see the dates here where there is 45,000 point availability. So let's see if I want to fly on 9th December, all I do is click through here, and then it loads up the flights available for that date. Here I can see that there's a flight available on Air France from Toronto over to Rome, and there's a 5-hour connection in Paris and then onward to Rome on Air France. And you can see that this is in business class for 45,000 points, and the taxes and fees on this are $282. You can see that the standard saver rate in business class is 60,000 points, but because this is a promo fare, which is discounted by 25%, it's 45,000 miles. Now, if you have US-based award currencies, which have 20% transfer bonus from time to time, you can stack this with your 20% transfer bonus from your credit card company and fly just for 38,000 points, which is a fantastic deal to fly to Europe in lie-flat business class on Air France or KLM. You can find flights back the exact same way, and depending on the airline you're flying, you'll either have a connection in Amsterdam or Paris. Before I share how to find those economy class promo awards, a quick plug: if you want to learn how to earn hundreds of thousands of points just from your everyday expenses so that you never have to pay full price for travel ever again, my travel-free playbook is out now, and I leave a link to it in the description below. It's going to teach you my exact strategy and methods that I've used that have allowed me to redeem over $150,000 worth of travel in the last couple of years. The strategies outlined in the playbook work best if you're able to open US-based credit cards, and it teaches you how to do this over and over again so that you essentially always get to travel for nearly free or a deeply discounted rate, especially if you're flying these business class flights or staying at 5-star luxury hotels. And with that, let's jump back into the video. So to find this economy class promo awards, it's pretty much the exact same thing. So in this case, I saw the promo award from JFK, so I'm going to put that here. Now I'll try putting Vienna as the destination. Again, I'm going to leave the departure date blank, and here I'm going to change this to economy because the promo award route for this particular month between JFK and Vienna, or JFK and Europe rather, is in economy. And then I'm going to hit search flights. When the results load up, you can see that the 18,750 price is available pretty much every single month up until April. And if I click into any dates, for example, now if I want to visit those Christmas markets and I want to go sometime in Thanksgiving, I can see that a 24th November date is available, and I can click that date. But here, if I scroll down, I'll be able to see the price in economy class for 18,750 miles. This is on KLM, so there's a layover in Amsterdam for 3 hours and 55 minutes, and then onward to Vienna, also on KLM. Now, if you're someone that doesn't really care about lie-flat seats and just wants to maximize the number of free flights and trips that you can take with your points, then this is a fantastic deal, especially if you stack it with a transfer bonus of like 20%, where you'd essentially be able to fly for about 14 to 15,000 points each way. And that's pretty much it. The one final tip that I'll leave you with is that if you're flying in business class, and if you're returning from Paris, the taxes and fees have increased significantly over the recent months, up to $475 per person when you're coming back from Paris. There aren't many workarounds to this, but one tip that can save you a couple of $100s is you can depart from some other airport in Europe and connect to Paris, and then back to wherever your city is in North America, and you can sometimes end up saving $100 to $150 on those taxes and fees. So as an example, if you are coming back from Paris to Toronto, the taxes and fees will show you as $479. But if you were to come back from Vienna to Paris and then Toronto on that exact same flight from Paris to Toronto, the taxes and fees will be about $320, which isn't much of a difference, but it's about $150 to $160 less per person, which can add up, especially if there are multiple people in your party. So just keep that in mind when you're booking your return flights, or you can always just fly back in economy on any other ticket to avoid those high taxes and fees. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any future award travel tips and tricks. And make sure to share this video with your friends and family so that everyone can fly for nearly free just like you. And I'll see you in the next video.